Welcome back. Investors like the look of Singapore's latest COVID-19 stimulus package, with the benchmark STI making gains as multi-billion-dollar budget was unveiled. The index closed up around 1.2%, and of particular interest was the government's intention to pump more money into protecting jobs during the pandemic. Elsewhere in the region, equities received a boost from the easing of lockdown measures globally. The Nikkei closed with gains of more than 2.5%. The TOPIX up by 2.17% after Japan lifted a nationwide state of emergency, and South Korea's KOSPI closed firmly in the green, with consumer confidence rebounding in May from an 11-year low. Now, let's look at Hong Kong. Its shares ended higher, mirroring a broader rally across Asia. Hang Seng up 1.88% at the close, investors welcoming the promise of more stimulus in China and the gradual reopening of the global economy. Mainland stocks gained as well. They're all in the green, you can see there. The benchmark Shanghai Composite Index closing slightly more than 1%. The Shenzhen Composite Index gaining about 2.21% at the closing bell. Down under now. Australia's ASX 200 jumped to a fresh 11-week high, closing about 2.93, about 3% higher, and there was continuing optimism over economic recovery from the coronavirus. Consumer sentiment rebounding slightly as airline and tourism stocks crept up from a very low base. The Kiwi dollar finding resistance as New Zealand's trade surplus hit a record. April data out showing exports declined 4% as imports fell 22%, and all of it totaling up to the largest monthly trade surplus on record.